Good morning and good afternoon, doctor. My name is Zhang Mengzi, and my matrix number is JS71786. So today is Sunday, which is March 29th, and tomorrow I'll be on the plane. I'll be on the flight, and tomorrow is March 13th. So I think I will be absent for our tomorrow's class. So I'm here to record this video in order to submit it in advance so you can check it when you have free time. Okay, now I'm going to present the fundamentals of academic writing. Here's our outlines. So I conclude 5 points from the internet. The first one is develop a clear and focused thesis statement. Second one is prioritize critical analysis over description. And third one is use hedging to express caution. The next one is ensure cohesion and coherence. And the last one is strict adherence to style and referencing. Okay, let's start from the first one. Develop a clear and focused thesis statement. So basically, academic writing is not merely a collection of information. It must revolve around a core idea. Okay. At the beginning of the article, we must clearly tell the readers our research purpose and main points. Like we start before we start our academic writing, we should have some own idea, some core idea in our mind. Yes. For example, rather than vaguely stating we want to study English teaching, it would be more accurate to say this study aims to explore the impact of multimedia teaching on children's English acquisition in the long run. Okay, the second one is prioritize critical analysis over description. Critical writing involves evaluating the strengths and weaknesses of existing research rather than merely summarizing it. This is how Cottrell said. And it is also important to compare the view of different scholars and point out the differences of connections between them, rather than just simply listing them. For example, instead of simply stating Scholar A believes in X and Scholar B believes in Y, we are supposed to write although both A and B focus on X, their methodological differences lead to drastically different conclusions. Okay, the third one is use hedging to express cautions. Scientific research rarely use absolute conclusions. They always use euphemism is a sign of academic maturity. And we are supposed to use words like suggest, appears to, and may. And try to avoid using overly absolute words like always or proves. For example, here's a wrong sentence. The data proves that the students are lazy. Okay, in this sentence, it used a proof. It is too absolute. Okay, 100%. So we should change it into the findings suggest that some students may lack motivations under specific conditions. Okay. And the next one is ensure cohesion and coherence. Cohesion is achieved through the strategic use of transitional devices and the logical ordering of ideas within and between paragraphs, like the square and the fixed set. Okay. And begin with a topic sentence, use logical connectors, such as however, consequently, in addition, to guide the readers. Here's another examples. In an article analyzing grammar, the first paragraph discusses syntactic structure, and the second paragraph can begin with the phrase that, in addition to syntax, the semantic layers also plays a vital role. Okay, after we express this sentence, the paragraph can lead to the next one, which is the semantic paragraph. Okay, the last one is strict adherence to style and referencing. The accuracy of formatting in academic writing directly affects professional evaluations, and we should ensure that in-text citations and the references list at the end of documents, they match exactly and strictly adhere to APA format. For example, like we cite some documents in our academic writing. If some books or documents are cited in the text, then the corresponding complete entry must be provided at the end of the text. Okay, here's the two references that I cited in my presentation. Okay, thank you for listening.